How to enable and disable notifications for the Boo app. So first, open the settings on your phone. After opening settings, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in apps. Then tap on the first option. Here you'll see an option called manage apps, which is right below system app settings. Tap on it. Then you'll again see a search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Then type in Boo. Then tap on the Boo app and scroll down until you see an option called notifications. Then tap on it. From here, you can turn off and turn on the notifications for the Boo app, and it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.